Okay.
This is how to change your lee. I don't know if it's a decapping rod or the center rod. Anyway, it's in your depriming and resizing die. I leave my die in the press. It's an adjustable or the correct size wrench. Lock it on the big lug. Get you something to spin this top portion here. Break it loose. Oh, well, and the pin will fall out. Can you get that for me, assistant? Please. So then, you're still in the die, or still in the press, you slide it back in. I just got this one flush. I don't know if that's right or not yet. Reset all your tools. Tighten it up. And there's a new decapping rod.